Dear fellow scholars, this is Wen Ziqi. Today I'm going to show you our work on semi-supervised cell detection. Automatic cell detection in histophysiology images Casper's physiologists in disease diagnosis, grading, and quantification, and methods based on deep learning have achieved promising cell detection performance. However, deep learning-based cell detection methods typically require a large number of annotated training samples, which are costly and time-consuming to obtain. Therefore, it is desirable to develop methods that can train detection networks effectively with only a few annotated symbols. One common strategy to address the problem of cell label training dates is to exploit semi-supervised learning, where unlabeled data is easy to obtain and can use together with the scaled labeled training dates during network training. Stark uses a common teacher-student frame, where the student learns from not only labeled training dates, but also unlabeled training dates with a prediction given by the teacher model. Embedded teacher uses the mean teacher, unlike the fixed teacher model used in Stark. The teacher model can be gradually updated during network training. This is the frame of UBT. However, due to the limited amount of labeled training dates, the prediction given by the teacher model for unlabeled training image can be noisy and prone to errors, which negatively affects the training of the student model and the final detection performance. In this work, we propose robust mean teacher for semi-supervised cell detection. Our methods suppress the noise in the detection results of the teacher model by mixing the unlabeled training image with the labeled training image, of which ground truth detection results are available. Moreover, it incorporates a loss term that is robust to noise, where the student's model learns from the teacher model. We create a teacher model and a student model with the same network structures but different network weights in accordance with the mean teacher fieldwork. After the student model is trained as the test iterations, the network weight of the teacher model are also updated based on the teacher model and the current teacher model with EMA. We donate the image patch corresponding to a cell of interest detected by the teacher model as IU, and the image patch corresponding to a random selected in a cell of same class in the label's image is represented by IA. Then we have the mixed image as the pseudo label for the synthetic patch is still the hard label of the teacher prediction, and each mixed patch then replaces the corresponding original image patch in the unlabeled images. The following unsupervised loss term is used as test iterations, which can be combined with LSUP to train the student model. An additional term LREG is computed for the student predictions on the synthetic and labeled image as, and the complete loss function L for the training student's model as the test iterations becomes. To evaluate the proposed methods, experiments was performed on the corrected single-rate subset of the public available NU cells datasets that aim to detect multiple types of cells in breast cancer, which consists of more than 1,000 images with annotated cells. Our cell detection methods use fast RCN as the backbone detection networks. We compare our proposed method with three other methods that use the same backbone: the baseline methods, Stark, and the embedded teacher methods. These are the examples of detection results on test images, shown together with annotation. The proposed methods operate from the competing methods in terms of F1 score in our case. We also compute the mean average precision for the detection results. We have proposed a semi-supervised approach to cell detection. Based on the mean teacher fieldwork, we have developed a training procedure that is more robust to the noise in the teacher prediction.
Thank you for your listening.